Now Arms Act Index जो दिया था पढ़ेंगे. Now Chapter 1 Preliminary. Section 1 Short Title, Extent and Commencement. Section 2 Definition and Interpretation. Now Chapter 2. अगर चाहें तो कुछ टेक्स्ट भी लगा सकते हैं. ये चैप्टर 2 है 3 to 12. Section 3 License of Acquisition and Possession of Firearms and Ammunition. Section 4 License for Acquisition and Possession of Arms of Specified Description in certain cases. Section 5 License of Manufacture, Sale of Arms and Ammunition. Section 6 License for the shortening of guns and conversion of imitation firearms into firearms. Section 7 Prohibition of acquisition or possession or of manufacture or sale of prohibited arms or prohibited ammunition. Section 8 Prohibition of sale or transfer of firearms not bearing identification marks. Section 9 Prohibition of acquisition or possession by or of sale or transfer to young persons and certain other persons of firearms. Section 10 License for import and export of firearms, etc. Section 11 Power to prohibit import or export of arms. Section 12 Power to restrict or prohibit transport of arms. Now Chapter 3 Provisions relating to license. Chapter 3 है 13 to 18. 13 Grant of licenses. Section 14 Refusal of license. Section 15 Duration and renewal of license. Section 16 Fees for license. Section 17 Variation, suspension and revocation of license. Section 18 है appeals. Now Chapter 4 Powers and Procedures. Section 19 to 24 B तक बात करता है. ये 24 B. Section 19 बात करता है पावर टू डिमांड प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लाइसेंस. सेक्शन 20 अरेस्ट ऑफ पर्सन कन्वेइंग आर्म्स अंडर सस्पिशियस circumstances. Section 21 Deposit of arms on possession ceasing to be law. Section 22 Searching and seizure by magistrate. Section 23 Search of vehicle for arms. Section 24 Seizure and detention under order of the central government. Section 24A Prohibition as to possession of notified arms in disturbed areas. Section 24B Prohibition as to carrying of notified arms in or through public places in disturbed areas. Now Chapter 5 25 to 33. Section 25 Punishment for certain offences. Section 26 Secret contraventions. Section 27 Punishment for using arms. Section 28 Punishment for use and possession of firearms or imitation firearms in certain cases. Section 29 Punishment for knowingly purchasing arms etc. from unlicensed person or for delivering arms to person not entitled to possess the same. Section 30 Punishment for contravention of license or rules. Section 31 Punishment for subsequent offences. Section 32 Power to confiscate. Section 33 Offences by companies. Now Chapter 6 and last chapter miscellaneous. Section 34 Miscellaneous is from 34 to 45. Section 34 Sanctions of central government for warehousing of arms. Section 35 criminal responsibility of persons in occupation of premises in certain cases. Section 36. Information to given regarding certain offences. Section 37. Arrest and searches. Section 38. Offences to be cognizable. Offences to be cognizable. Section 39. Previous sanction of the district magistrate necessary in certain cases. Section 40. Protection of action taken in good faith. Section 41. Power to exempt. Section 42. Power to take census of firearms. Section 43. Power to delegate. Section 43. Section 44. Power to make rules. Section 45. Act not to apply in certain cases. Section 46. Last. Repeal of Act 11 of 1878. Thank you.